When I was doing a video about clutch forks and things like that, which seems to be my favourite subject, I mentioned something to check for, and I didn't have one at the time. Land Rover modified this tube, this guide tube for the clutch, and you see, it's always nice to see comparisons because sometimes you guys don't know what the hell you're looking at. But this is the replacement, this is a modern type, and this is the earlier type, a genuine Land Rover one. But what used to happen was, because of all the friction, you know, because it was a dry joint on here, because of that friction, this ball, well, it used to sort of get very loose because this is aluminium. And this is no good, so if you're ever going to fit one of my clutch arms, or anything to do with your clutch, you need to replace it with one of these, because this is cast iron. Now this is a Brit-Part one, but it is very good. I must admit it's very rare for Brit-Part, but hats off to Brit-Part. But there was one thing, if you do change this, there's something you've got to know. That behind here there are supposed to be a dowel, there's some dowels in here and here. Sometimes you'll take this off and think, oh, it's scrap, and throw it away, and you've left the dowels in here, and they're not in the bell housing in here. So if in any doubt, order some dowels, because it's always worth that to know. But remember, if you buy one of these, and they're not actually all that expensive, you know, there's a bit of machining work in there, but at least you know it's nice and solid rather than these. But don't forget the dowels, okay? And then life will be a dream. Talk to you later.